Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the new 2026 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate with this vehicle, which comes equipped with all your hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got some outlets here for all your necessities, and you do get bed lighting as well, which is pretty handy. And you do get measurements on the gate as well, and it is powered, so it will go up and down, which is pretty handy. Mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders and storage, 12 volt with heated back seats, rear vents, and USB and USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, upgraded sound system, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.3 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get, come on girl, my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that's collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. We got your center console here as well that does turn into an interior work surface, as well as your center console as well. We do get our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooling front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, your Pro Power onboard, hazards and traction with a 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our audio here, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We do get Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Got your audio right here as well. Your navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent, save, and you can have your audio open at the same time. Faves such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA12165, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.